Hello students, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani. This is the video number 15 and in this video, I will be explain part 1 of chemistry, chapter number 4, chemical kinetics. It is new chapter and it is very interesting and it is very important for board exams. So topic of this chapter: definition, application, classification, factors affecting the rate of reaction and rate of reaction. These topics I will be explained in this video. So I start. Chapter number 4, chemical kinetics. So what is the meaning of chemical kinetics? But first I introduce there are three types of chemistry we discuss in it: inorganic, organic and physical. So chemical kinetic indicate physical chemistry. Reason: because in these the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the rate at which reaction occur. Because in this chemistry, in this chapter, we have to detail wise discuss rate of reaction. Rate of reaction, that is means speed of reaction determined in this chapter. So what is the chemical kinetics? The branch of physical chemistry which deals with the rate of reaction at which chemical reaction occur. Application of chemical kinetics. Applications of chemical kinetics. Application, that is means what is the use of chemical kinetics. So these studies help to optimize the condition under which reaction should be carried out to the get maximum yield. So what is the meaning of this way of chemical kinetics? Because it is very important, each condition follow in chemical kinetics. Second, rearrangement and number of steps involve single, two steps, multiple step reaction. Then third, if reaction more than one step, so slowest reaction and determine rate of reaction. So these steps, these application of chemical kinetics. Then we can know how fast a chemical reaction goes. So that is means reaction slow, reaction fast, any reaction complete in a single step, two steps, multiple steps, and yield form, minimum, maximum. So these application of chemical kinetics. Next topic is classification of reaction. So classification of reaction on the basis of velocity to react. So velocity of to react, that is means speed of reaction. So there are three types of reaction: very slow reaction and fast. Very slow reaction, that is means those reaction require hours, days, month or even years before any observable changes. Slow, those reaction between the two categories occur is measurable time, rates measure easily in laboratory. And fast, such reaction very fast and too difficult measure rate. So easily speed consider in slow types of reaction. Very slow difficult and fast very difficult, but slow easily we find. So example of very slow reaction like alpha radiation emitted by uranium atom. Second, rusting of iron. Slow reaction, Haber process, like N2 react with hydrogen, so convert into the ammonia. Glucose, sucrose, C12H22O11 sucrose, hydrolysis of sucrose, so convert into the glucose, C6H12O6, and second is fructose. Fast reaction example, ionic reaction, acid react with base, acid HCl react with base, so salt formation. It is fast reaction completed in 1 nanosecond. 1 nanosecond, 10 to power minus 9 second. Second example, AgNO3 react with NaCl, so NaNO3 form AgCl white PPT. So it is also fast reaction. So there are three types of reaction: very slow, slow and fast. And in laboratory, slow reaction consider. Next topic is factors affecting the rate of chemical reaction. Factors. It is very important, and every time, every year, one question came from this topic. Factors affecting which top factors. So you learn this way: SCTPC. S means first the state of substance, area of surface. S. So that is means state of substance. So if powder form we take reactant, then solid form, so the rate of reaction become faster because surface area increase. Like we take sugar powder, comparison then sugar crystal. So sugar powder cover maximum area, so surface area, so that is means reaction rate of reaction fast. Example, iron powder then a piece of iron is a better catalyst. Second, C means concentration of solution. Solution concentration, like concentration of reactant increase, that is means forward reaction. Like for practical purpose, we take high concentration of reactants advisable. Obvious from Le Chatelier's principle. In industry, the reactant cheaper used for obtain more proportion. So in laboratory way we take high concentration, but in industry high concentration it is not possible. So in industry we take more for obtain more proportion we take reactant cheaper. So second factor is concentration of solution. Third is T. T means temperature of system. Temperature directly proportional rate of reaction. When increase the temperature, so molecule kinetic energy increase, and kinetic energy increase, that is means collision of molecule also increase. Collision of molecule increase, that is means rate of reaction also increase. Like sugar added in cold water dissolve faster. If temperature increase, dissolve completely. At equilibrium state, increased temperature advantages for endothermic and decrease the temperature for exothermic. Endothermic temperature increase, that it means energy absorbed, and temperature decrease, that it means energy release. So reason, heat reacts as a reactant or reactants or product. So this factor is third number. S state of substance, C concentration of solution, and T temperature of system. Next, P is pressure of system. Pressure of system, that is means if reaction is in gaseous phase, so its pressure increase, so result increase and decrease of rate depending on the nature of reactant stoichiometry. Like in chemical equilibrium, pressure increase, so rate inversely proportional rate of reaction decrease. So for gaseous reaction, P pressure considered as a concentration of gas, because both pressure and concentrate both of related number of molecules of substance. If number of molecules of gaseous reactants greater than gaseous product, increase in pressure, so that is means more product obtained. Like in cylinder way we pressurize gas, so maximum gas molecule in embedded into gas cylinder. So but if number of moles of gas reactant less than gas product, so increase in pressure on system is not advantageous, so more product would not be obtained. So it is necessary moles of gas reactant increase gas product. So this step are follow for the rate of reaction. Next, fifth, effect of catalyst. Catalyst, that is means rate of reactions speed increase by catalyst. So catalyst we have to use, that is means reaction faster. Catalyst cannot bring change in amount of product and change in amount of reactant. So increase rate of reaction directly proportional reaction complete in less time, and inversely proportional activation energy, because less activation energy required. No effect of catalyst on equilibrium because it increase uniformly both rate of forward and backward. So in equilibrium, catalyst not a effect because forward and backward rate of reaction consider. Catalytic poison, it is very important, this topic, catalytic poison. If there is any impurities which tries to decrease the rate of reaction, that is means those substance which decrease the rate of reaction, it is called catalytic poison. So there are two types, catalyst and second is catalytic poison. Catalyst increase the reaction rate of reaction and catalytic poison decrease the rate of reaction. So it is very important. So factors 5, S, C, T, P, C. S, the state of substance. C, concentration of subsolution. Third, T, temperature of system. P, pressure of system. And fifth, effect of catalyst. Next topic is rate of reaction. Rate of reaction, it is very important because main chapter start from this topic. Rate of reaction, that is means speed of reaction. Speed of reaction, the rate of change of concentration of reactant with time. First I discuss here what is the reactant and product. Reactant, that is means those substance which participate in the reaction, it is known as reactant, and which is formed in the reaction, it is products. So rate of reaction depend on reactant and product. So whenever we consider rate of change of concentration of reactants with time, so see graph between concentration and time. So reactant concentration higher to lower and product concentration lower to higher. So graph show reactant concentration decrease and reactant concentration decrease and product concentration increase. At equilibrium, concentration become constant here. Here concentration becomes constant. Like T1 time we take. So concentration of R indicate by R1. T1 time concentration of product P1. We take T2 time R2 concentration and product concentration P2. So difference between reactant delta R, R2 minus R1, and difference in between concentration of product. So delta P is equal to P2 minus P1, and temperature difference delta T is equal to T2 minus T1. So average rate indicate by small r, rate of reaction indicate by small r. So average rate R small and average rate small AV, RAV, that is means average rate. So indicate by rate of concentration of reactant decrease, so we indicate minus, and difference in T1 time and T2 time rate of concentration reactant concentration of reactant indicate by delta R is equal to R2 minus R1. So we write here minus delta R upon delta T is equal to, for product concentration increase according to the time. So delta P upon delta T. So positive, negative charge decrease and positive charge increase. So minus sign decrease the concentration of reactant and positive charge increase the concentration of product. Unit delta R upon delta T. So R, delta R concentration of reactant represent, that is means concentration, and T time, and concentration unit is mole per liter and time unit is second. So combined form mole per mole liter inverse, mole liter inverse and second inverse. So molar second inverse also you say, mole per liter combined form molar second inverse. Otherwise you write if time indicate in minute, so unit is molar per minute, molar minute inverse. If time indicate in day, so mole day inverse, molar day inverse and molar year inverse. So depend on time in which second, minute, day, year. So unit is this. For gaseous reaction not a concentration indicate, because for gas we have to indicate pressure. So unit is pressure upon time, and pressure indicate unit atmospheric, ATM, and time indicates second, so its unit is ATM S minus, otherwise bar, B bar, BAR bar, second inverse. So this is the rate of reaction. So main concept is rate of reaction, that is means speed of reaction. So how it is found? By reactant concentration and product concentration, and according to the time, whenever time increase, so reactant concentration decrease and product concentration increase. So reactant concentration decrease, so that is means according to the time T1 and T2. T1 time R1 concentration reactant and T2 R2. So both of difference indicate by delta R. According to the time product concentration increase, so delta P is equal to P2 minus P1. So time delta T is equal to T2 minus T1. So average rate we indicate by minus delta R upon delta T for reactant, and for product plus delta P upon delta T. That is means concentration upon time, and concentration represent mole per liter and time indicate by second. So unit is mole liter inverse second inverse. So this is topic rate of reaction completed, and it is very important because main concept of chemical kinetics start from this topic. So today enough for today. So next topic I will be explain in next video. Thank you so much.